Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back. If you're new tuning in, warm welcome, welcome, welcome. So glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. Today's video is a super short review of Thread by Kiss Edge Fixer Control. You guys, I absolutely love it. So this particular one that I'm showing you guys now, this is the peach scented one. I did managed to buy a pack of these, and it consists of a pack of 5. You guys, they are very small, so these would make for great on the travel edge controls. My personal opinion, they are a 3.38 floral ounce, so that kind of gives you an idea as to how small they are. But you guys, for me, it's definitely worth it. I have tried this gel before. Literally, you guys, I applied it and it lasts me 8 hours. Now, to give you a little background on my hair, I do have 4C low porosity hair, so just keep that in mind. If you have thicker hair, I'm not sure what the hole will be like, but it does say that this particular edge control is supposed to give a 24-hour maximum hold. You guys, the hold level for this particular gel is 7, if I recall correctly. Okay. Also, no flakes. I did not have any flaking. If anything, my baby hairs were shiny. So you guys, to kind of show you the pack that it came in, so this is the pack. It comes in a pack of 5. It has a variety of different scents. Of course, I used peach this time, but they have watermelon, cherry, strawberry, and black. Okay, you guys, I'm going to use the remainder 3 that I have for stocking stuffers. So consider this for an affordable stocking stuffer. I paid $9. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.